Hello, my name is Voya and welcome to my deep guide. This is going to be a very short comparison video simply because I've made in-depth reviews of all the devices and then you can actually check out the details there. This is just a very short summary and my subjective personal preference and opinion. In this video we are checking out Boox Note 3 versus Boox Note Air. So what are the pros of the Boox Note 3? It has more storage at 64 GB versus 32 on the Note Air. It has faster storage because it's using the UFS 2.1 standard versus the eMMC slower type of transfer speeds on the Note Air. It has 4 GB of LDDR4X RAM versus 3 GB on the Note Air. And it has a slightly larger battery than the Note Air. On the other hand, the Boox Note Air, for me personally, it has a better design and objectively it does have better build quality. It has a gyroscope allowing for auto rotation function. Again, for me personally, much better ergonomics and it is able to kind of flip around without any problem because of the symmetry and all these kind of things. You can use it left-handed, right-handed, landscape mode, it doesn't matter, it just always looks proportional and good. It has slightly faster writing latency speed. It has slightly crisper and better image quality and contrast. It has a much better front light and it is a little bit cheaper than the Note 3. My personal subjective favorite between these two devices is the Boox Note Air. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like and subscribe and ding the notification bell to get notified when the new videos come out. Also check out my deep guide on patreon.com if you wish to support the channel further. And that's it from me. Stay safe, stay healthy and see you in the next video. Bye!